I'm Nate Unwall. I'm a machine shop manager here at ShopSabre. Typical work day, we get started right in the morning, getting machines set up to produce parts for the finished router tables and plasma tables. Starts out that way, and we kind of move into some design work and things like that. Helped out with some of the newer design on the newer router tables, the IS and the Pro line. I heard about ShopSabre through a few friends of mine and actually through my previous employer. Prior to being at ShopSabre, I worked for a company that supplied some of the ShopSabre table components. I worked there for about 13 years. Kind of came in eventually and checked out the place, and I was pretty impressed with the size and all the complexity that really ShopSabre brings to the table now. Decided to change career path and came over here. Been here a year and a half now, so I bring 14 and a half years of experience with ShopSabre components to the table. Outside of work, I have a couple collector cars that I like to tinker with. Home improvement projects and things like that really interest me, like assembly, mechanical work. That's just what I like. I think ShopSabre brings a lot of value for your money. The components are really well engineered, and we're working to improve that all the time. And that's one of the things I'm really proud of. I think the value is just really where it's at. I think ShopSabre is a good place to work. It's definitely worth a look if you're looking to make a career change. If you're looking for more opportunity, I think this is a really good place to look.